exam. So when I'm doing a little of exams, I am not going to squeeze anything out yet. We just go ahead and exam, and when you feel a little bit of scratchy, you are going to squeeze yours precision glue gels out. So this is just gonna be, you can use it to putting some like a flat backs, like really thin and a smaller crystal, which is SS3 to SS6, but it's not supposed to be replaced or substitute for your condensed glue gel. So make sure you are using these two of them together, so then they'll give it the best like result. So I'm gonna sealing around all the beads in the frame, but not on the crystal, not adding on the crystal, so then that way it won't dull your crystal at all. So now cure for 60 seconds. And if you are like feeling when you're getting out and it start catching on the client's hair, and then you can able to seal it again, I need this. You can go ahead and cure for 30 seconds and then seals it again. You don't want to flood it all at once. You want to like doing a couple times, so then that way just have time for it to set and seal first before you seals it again. So I'm gonna go ahead and check right here, scratchy. I'm gonna seals it in, and then on the edges right here, scratchy right here is might catching on the client's hair. I'm gonna seals also on this side. On the beads. Okay. And then on the metal, hold on, when the metal is a little bit, it's good, but it's a little bit too big. So I'm go ahead and close this size up and open on the others. I'm gonna using on this part, which is the precision brush on this end, and brush on entire the big metal centerpiece. So then that's ways prevent from getting tarnish and getting like tarnish when you're doing your cleaning and hand sanitizing, washing your hands a lot. So this beauty, no, not this beauty. This is my, because my using my mix already. But this condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat precision glue gel, you are going to get is free during this week's special sales, Lunar New Year sales. With all the order of $199 after tax and